Ma'am, now are we discussing the paper?
Yes, we will discuss. Just a minute, we'll discuss the paper. And are you able to see my screen right now? No, I think so, right? You're able to see, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I did not share. it. So 1 minute, children, I'll share the paper. But few students really did a wonderful job in yesterday test, children. Feel very happy. I think 5 to 6 students, they're most of the questions correct. Children, now you understand how the relation between, even I gave some other figures like a triangles also, how ratios and proportions will happen. Symmetrical.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Shreya.
There was a maths test also yesterday.
Yes, Shreya.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Actually, what went wrong was I had a exam today in school, and we had people come over yesterday, so it was like a lot happening. So, ma'am, I
Okay.
didn't know that we had a math one also. So, ma'am,
No,
can you
we
please
will.
like tell me a way I can?
We'll discuss the paper right now, Shreya. Please, with very simple questions only given. There are
Oh, okay,
48.
ma'am.
We'll discuss. Don't worry. If you missed yesterday, also we can go with the same paper we are going to discuss right now. 1 minute, children. I'll just. Class 8. Today there is a board exam in your school too, right, children? How your seniors are writing?
Ma'am, we don't know because due to curfew, our schools are not going on offline.
Ma'am, our
Okay.
school has board exam, ma'am. From other schools are also
Ma'am,
coming to our school, ma'am. So for us, they are keeping like merge class A, section A and section D together like that they're doing, ma'am.
Okay. Because teachers also.
Maharashtra,
In
we have
whose
board
school having a center for your schools are center for your examination means it's very difficult to balance both online and offline mode. Today it's a lot of tough, but we went on smooth the science. So Sanskrit paper, children, today's test.
Ma'am, Sanskrit is a language.
Third language, I think so. Second language, not second, third language. Sanskrit. First exam. 1 minute, children. I'm
Ma'am,
sharing.
we have first language English, second Marathi, and third Hindi.
Okay.
sorry for joining late, ma'am.
Vishnu, yeah, children, once again, congratulations. Yesterday, you are doing wonderful. The test, a few students, I can remember the names. Can you read? Any one of you read the names? What they posted on the group, please, children? Srusti Patel. No, it's not my class. Okay. Here, children, the first question you see on screen, the number of gallons of fuel used on a trip varies directly with the number of miles traveled. Yes or no, children? Is it?
Yes, ma'am. More distance, so more gallons will be used.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is gallon, children? Yesterday, one student asked about what is gallon. What is gallon,
Ma'am,
children?
is it a
Ma'am, it
container
is
or a
a
Ma'am, it's a unit
ma'am,
of
it is
volume.
a
Very good.
ma'am, it is unit of volume for water in
Very good.
like the
Liquid,
imperial
right.
system, ma'am.
Very good.
Liquids and
Yeah.
Fluids, the fluids.
That is measuring units, children.
ma'am, 1
Measuring
gallon is how many liters?
1 gallon is equal to how many liters? Please search in once WhatsApp, children, and that Google. Even I didn't remember.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, like there were 2 tests, ma'am.
No, same test only, children. Few are unable to write the test, so I
Okay,
uploaded once again. And
Okay, ma'am.
same paper, no worries. Yes. Number of
Ma'am,
gallons
1
of
gallon equals to
Ma'am, was
4.54609.
repeat.
Ma'am, means
Jasmita, please
4.5
repeat.
liters.
4.54609
4.54609.
liters.
Very
Yes.
good.
4.5 liters, ma'am.
So approximately 4.5. Remember the parts, children. New things we always keep in. Gallon equal to 4.5, approximately 4.5 liters. Here the number of gallons of fuel used on a trip varies directly with the number of miles traveled. The condition is given. So direct proportion is given. If a trip 270 miles required 12 gallons, so how many gallons are required to trip of 405 miles? Yeah, children, please, am I audible to you?
yes, ma'am,
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
audible.
Right.
Ma'am, it's
Ma'am,
12 into
12 into
405 upon
405 by
270
270.
Very good. 12 multiplied with 405 divided with
upon
270.
270.
What is the answer, children, you are getting here?
18 gallons.
18
Ma'am,
gallons.
but in this, by mistake, I multiplied 270 into 12, ma'am. That's why I got wrong answer.
That is indirect proportion, right, Nana? That's indirect proportion. Satvik, you are doing for indirect, but
Yes,
here a
ma'am.
condition is given, Nana. It is directly, varies
Direct, ma'am.
directly
Yes.
with the number of miles traveled. The condition also given. Sometimes the clues are given, children, in the question. Sometimes they won't give any clue. You need to understand you're supposed to do. If it is indirectly
Ma'am, one
proportional,
more question, ma'am. I did not get that. It
Hmm.
was written, how can we express indirect proportion? Ma'am, xy is equals to constant, we can express. No, but that
yes,
was
yes.
given x minus y is equals to constant.
Okay. We'll see, sir. We'll see. Sometimes the mistakes will be there. We'll see and update those things. A bottle of 150 vitamins cost rupees $5.25. If cost varies directly with the number of vitamins in the bottle, what should bottle with 250 vitamins cost? See, children, it's a when a condition is given directly proportion. So that what you should do here, children,
Ma'am, 5.25 into 250 upon 150.
that's all. That's all. If you simplify the part, you will get answer. Who will
Ma'am,
simplify?
$8.75, I think.
Yes, wait, Sahu, the simplification only children made mistake. Please, who are going to simplify? 5.25 multiplied with 250 divide with 150 because it is direct proportion. So 250 vitamins you need to find out. So 250 by 250 multiplied with 5.25 divided with 150. What is approximately it's 150 means 0 will cancel the 3 times 5 times, so 5
Ma'am,
by
it's 5.25 into 5 by 3.
so what is the answer? I think 8 point or 9 point. Children, what is the answer
And
here?
it is 8.75.
Is
8
it
point.
8.75.
Ma'am, it's 8.75.
very good, right, children? Next, coming to the next question, the time to complete a project varies inversely proportion. The question I already given clues, children. The time to complete a project varies inversely proportion with the number of employees. If more employees are there, means they will finish the project within
Faster.
yeah, faster. So less people means more time, a very indirect proportion. So 3 people can complete in 7 days. How long will it take 5 people? So what you should do, children? 3
3 into
multiplied.
7 by 2.
That's all. 3 multiplied with 7 by 5. 3 multiplied with 7 means 7 3s are 21 by 5.
4.2.
4.2 days. Very good. 4.2 days. Right. Next, coming to the fourth question, the volume V of a gas kept at constant temperature varies inversely as the pressure P. Inversely proportional. And the question conditions are given in each and every question, but when the examination, they won't give any clues to you, children. Sometimes they will, sometimes they won't give. You have to think and understand whether it is direct or indirect proportion with the general
Ma'am,
sense.
on 8th December, my IMO is there.
8th December, very, very near. Even I have, oh, 8th December you have, which day it is? Day, can you remember the day? The Wednesday,
Ma'am,
or
don't know.
Wednesday, is it Wednesday, Sahu? Yeah, we will, once the syllabus is completed,
Ma'am,
every
mostly
day we will
exams
go
are on
with
Saturday and
IMO
Sunday.
practice. Children, from tomorrow onwards, IMO practice sums we will do. Chapters, practice chapters we are going. Already it is
Ma'am,
in
for
our
me,
Google Classroom. Satvik?
ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am,
please
for me
tell.
at 12th, ma'am, for me at 12th December, I have a Fiji test, ma'am.
Okay. 12th
12th.
December.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyway, we will go with revisions chapter wise, children. Please focus on your competitive way also. Yeah. Here, the volume V of gas is inversely given. If pressure 24 pounds per square inches, the volume is 15 cubic feet. What will be the volume when the pressure is 30 pounds per square inches? See, children, it is related to science question. So pressure, how it is
Ma'am,
related
that
to
volume V and all is given like that only. We just need that below part.
Yes, you just see, children, volume and pressure. Pressure and volume, is it direct proportion or inverse proportion, children? Volume and pressure, you are learning in area.
Inverse proportion.
Very good, very good. Volume and air, sorry, area and pressure is always inverse proportion. The same way, even volume and pressure is inverse proportion. If pressure is 24 pounds per square inches, the volume is 15 cubic feet. 24 multiplied with 15 divided with 30, children, half of 24 is 24, half is 12 cubic feet. 12 cubic feet. Any doubt over here, children? Just you multiplied with the 24 into 15, divide with 30. 31, 15 ones are 15 twos are 24 by 2, half of 24 is 12 cubic feet. Next, which of the following represent direct variation? Yeah. What is direct proportion? You know very well. What is direct
Ma'am,
proportion?
X by Y is equals to K.
Which option is true here?
Ma'am, X by Y is
Ma'am,
equal to
A
K,
only.
ma'am.
Y is equals to KX.
Very good. Y
Yes,
equal to
ma'am.
kx.
X by Y, ma'am.
X,
That only.
yes, that is simplest form. Just replace it, Nana. I will
Ma'am,
just,
it is same. Just taking
yeah,
X to
yeah.
that side.
1 minute, I will show on screen. Board. Yes,
Ma'am, which app are you using this Blackboard?
this is some blackboard only, children. Blackboard only. X by Y equal to K. It's longer back when 1 year, the same app nowadays it is not available in Play Store, children. Its updated version is there. So nice features than this. So what we can take here, children, is it, can I write it as X equal to Y into K?
Y.
Yes, sir. So which option is true here?
Ma'am,
Y
A.
Yeah. There is a question, children.
A, ma'am.
Right, right.
Option A.
Why, Satvik, any network issue for you today? No, not Satvik, Ritvik. Few students are not regular to the classes. They are visiting their classes. I don't know what is the reason. Next question. If y equal to 15, then when x equal to 12, find y when x equal to 32. Yes.
Ma'am, I think
Ma'am,
it's
15
mine.
into 32 by 12.
Yeah. What proportion you are using there, children?
Ma'am, direct proportion.
Very good. Direct proportion, like ratios and proportions, we are using the same question, children, here. Y equal to 15, x equal to 12. So 15 is to 12 equal to x is to 32. You say just find the value of x. So how you supposed to find the value of x, children? Is direct proportion means just now you know that y equal to what, children?
Ma'am,
Y
y
equal
equals to
to
40.
k into x. K into where k?
Ma'am,
K
A 5 by 4 x, which is 40.
5 by 4x, which is 40. Right. Option A is correct. And coming to the next one. Which
Ma'am,
ratio?
C 25 by 30. It is 5 5s are and 6 5s are.
Very good. Which ratio be it's proportional to the ratio? So it just reciprocal,
it is
right?
Ma'am,
25 by
5 is the
30, ma'am.
constant here. 5 is the constant.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Next, coming to the next one. 6 by 7 equal to 18 by C. So 6C equal to 18 into
18
7.
into
C
7 by
equal
6.
to 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21.
21 C.
Right. The same way, children, it's 15. You just 15 multiplied
3
with
into
3.
25 upon 15.
That's all. M equal to you just this fraction. If you simplify this, 5 3s are 5 5s are.
Ma'am, it's
So
5
here
only, I
it
think.
will be
8.
cancelled. Yeah, 5. Right, children. Next part, the same way you can solve this rest of the questions too. And coming to the 12th question, the class has 12 girls and 16 boys. So children, any doubt in this type of questions, please let me know.
No, ma'am,
children.
no doubt.
Other students too, please, if you have any doubt, I will help you once again.
No, ma'am, no doubts, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, it takes time for me to unmute, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Next, you see here, children, the class has 12 girls and 16 boys. What is the ratio of total students to boys? Total students.
Ma'am,
12.
total students is 12 plus 16, which is 28.
Okay.
And the boys are 16.
So, total to boys.
28 by
28
16.
upon 16.
Right, children, is it any
7 by 4, ma'am. B, ma'am, 7 by 4.
Yeah, even though they will give the same answer in without reducing, you always add to the reducing form only, children. Don't take
Simplest
Ma'am,
form,
there
ma'am.
it is
It is
mentioned
Ma'am,
also
but
only.
given
it's
in the
3 by
brackets,
4,
ma'am.
right? The answer.
7
Ma'am,
by
Ma'am,
the
in
4.
answer.
question only it is given. In
Yashvita,
simplest form.
7 by 4, Nana.
Oh, okay, ma'am. I did not see
Because
that.
it is reduced. You always ratio can be written as reduced form of simplest form.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the question only it is mentioned. Given
Yeah.
simplest.
Yeah. If even though mentioned also, they will give the two types of answers, children, for making confusion in the student brain. So you have to take always the simplest form. The like that in two competitive examinations, I saw the question. They will give without reducing and after reducing both. You supposed to not. There is an option to choose both. You can, or else one. You supposed to simplest form is the ratio always. Next one. Yeah, this is a pet store has 18 dog toys for sale. 10 toys are what is this breed, children?
Frisbees.
Okay, and the rest are bones. What is the ratio of bones to? That means 10
Ma'am,
is
ma'am, frisbees are 10, so bones will be 8. And the ratio is asked bones to frisbees means 8 by 10, which is 4 by
right.
5. C.
C, option C, correct, right. Next, please fill the missing number into the ratio
Ma'am,
table.
2 2s are 4, so 22 by
11.
2, which is 11. D.
11 by 11, right. Next, what is proportion?
Ma'am, when two ratios are equivalent and show the same value.
When two ratios can be simplified, two ratios are equivalent and
Ma'am, both can be the answer, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Both can be, ma'am.
Ma'am, here I lost 2 marks.
when okay.
Ma'am, it can be B. I clicked on B, ma'am, but it's giving us A.
Okay. But Satvik,
Similar.
even you scored nice marks, Satvik. Next one. 16.
Similar.
Very similar. Here objects are Same shape but not same size.
Ma'am, it can be congruent also, no?
Similar two objects.
Ma'am, but I gave
same
similar
shape.
because the next questions it was used, similar word was only used.
No, listen. The two objects that are same shape but not the same size are congruent also. Similar and congruent.
Yes, ma'am. In this only I lost 4 marks. These both the questions.
Similar and congruent. Similar is not congruent is correct word, Nana. We can
Yes,
use the
ma'am.
word as congruent is correct.
Ma'am, but in the next question, similar word was used. So that's why I changed my answer to similar.
Okay, we will see the pictures or any shape. 1 minute, let me see the question.
Ma'am, both can be correct, ma'am.
Okay. Here, okay, next question, I think. So.
Ma'am, the answer is similar.
Where is the question? Yes, if two objects are same shape but not the same size or congruent to each other, Nana. Both are
Ma'am, I
congruent.
wrote congruent, but it's showing wrong answer.
Similar is, that's why Sahu is telling it. Similar is given the word.
Ma'am, both can be correct. Actually.
No, what is congruent, children?
Ma'am, congruent when the congruency test do not
Same
apply.
size and the same shape also, right? Here, not same size, right? That's why
Yes,
the
ma'am.
similar word is using, children. In congruent, same size and same shape. Same shape is rotate, maybe it is reflect tilted image also we can take, but suppose triangle, when size should be same, then it is only we can say congruent. But here we can use the word exactly similar, children, because they're saying same shape but not the same size. So those are similar figures. Similar figures, they are not congruent. They are similar figures. Next one. Are the following similar? Why not, please? So is it same figures, children? You just see it. Yes, I'm unable to see the
Ma'am,
picture.
please click on that picture because it's not visible.
Yeah, that's why. Is it not opening in tab, Nana? In laptop, it is happening. No, it is unable to open. If you have a laptop in front of you, please tell the measures of this trapezium, children. Please.
Ma'am, it is 6 inch and 4 and 6 and 2, ma'am.
Oh, so
Ma'am, then the ratios of the corresponding sides are not equal will be the answer.
so here what is given, children? You just see, are the following similar? Why or why not? Yes. Is there?
Ma'am, because the ratios of the corresponding sides are not equal. It should be 12 inches, the upside one figure.
Ma'am, it will be no, the ratios of the corresponding sides are not equal.
Yes, ma'am, C.
No, the ratios of the corresponding sides are not equal. Yeah. Okay. Because the upper one is 6 and 12 is
Yes,
given.
ma'am, it should be 12.
Okay. But it is given as
6.
6. Okay, right. The ratios of the corresponding sides are not equal. No. Coming to the next, you just see, children.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Shreya.
Yeah, ma'am. Can you just once go back to the fourth question? I just had a doubt in that.
Previous bit, ma. 1 minute. Fourth bit.
Yeah.
Right. Is it this figure or previous one, ma?
No, ma'am. The fourth question.
Number 4. Okay.
Ma'am, this time you gave like 48 questions.
Because simple questions only.
Yes, ma'am, that's why I was unable to solve.
Simple questions only. For question number 4, where is, yeah. Yes, ma.
Ma'am, here we need to convert, right?
No, here, what is the condition? Wait a minute. Whatever the pressure 24 pounds per square inch, volume is 15 cubic feet. What will be the volume when the pressure 30 pounds per square inch? Directly answer is given cubic feet only. If everything our units are very similar, you just see the upper statement. Shreya, the pressure
It
24.
inversely varies, right?
So that no need of converting anything here. Directly you just multiply 24 pounds per square inch multiplied with the 15 cubic feet divide with 30. Because options, what will be volume is also given in cubic feet only. There is no option is given with other units. So no need to convert. If anything is conversion separately is given, you definitely convert those questions. Here we can go directly, Shreya, no need of converting part. Because they're given is pounds and square inches, pounds per square inch, here cubic feet. And in next part of proportion also 30 pounds per square inch is given. You need to find how many cubic feet. So what will the volume you supposed to find? Volume is given in your options also cubic feet only. Directly you simplify 24 with 15 because it is inverse proportion, Nana. Because volume or area, you can take anything, it's inversely proportional to your pressure.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, I understood.
Yes. This is actually science related question. You can learn both things here. Science a part of suppose you are walking with the two hands. Just one best example I'm giving for you children, how it is indirectly proportional. You are going from your home to school with the two legs. You are walking with a normal walk and you are going. If you walk with a single leg, what happens to them? When you feel more pressure applied, when you are walking with a single leg means it's or else is it
Single
more?
leg.
So why area is there? Anything is decreased? If you are putting two legs together and walking means what happens? If you walk with one leg, what happens? Please observe yourself. Then you have to find out whether pressure is, force is directly proportional or indirectly proportional to area. You're supposed to find like that. Children, basic examples you take and
Ma'am, one leg means more pressure, two legs
Ah.
means pressure will less.
less pressure. So that means if you are taking a more area space, more area means what happens? Pressure is decreasing. If you take less area of your feet, means your pressure is increasing. That's why it is indirectly proportional. Next one. Children, you understand what I'm saying? I don't know how I supposed to relate that in scientific words.
Yes,
but
ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
right, children. Which question we are in proportion? Okay, congruent, similar, right? Yeah, you see the question number 18. The pair of figures is similar. Find missing. See, children, sizes should not be same. Find the missing. You just see the missing figure.
3, ma'am.
3. No, x value is very good. 3 times is suppose you just see the adjacent side, 1 centimeter.
1
centimeter.
into 3 is 3, ma'am. 3, 3 is 9.
That's all. So x value is 3. Here you just find the area of the following similar. Why not? Are you following? Are you
Yes,
following similar? Why not? Similar is
ma'am,
followed or
yes,
not? Please check it.
yes,
One
ma'am.
is 70, 70 and 40, 40, 70, 70. So the AB length is 20 and here 27. Where is 36? DE is 36.
I
Then
think yes, ma'am.
AC is 18 and 24. BC is 27 and 36. Are there in proportion, children? Please check it.
Yes, ma'am.
All these measures are in proportion or not?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if all pairs of angles are congruent to each other, no corresponding angles are not equal. No ratios of corresponding sides are not equal. Is the corresponding sides are equal in this question, children?
Yes, ma'am.
27 by 36 and 18 by 24 and 27 by 36. Please check it, children, whether it is similar or not. Is it similar or not?
Yes, ma'am, it is similar.
If you simplify 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. That means 3 by 4 you are getting. Coming to AC and DF, 18 by 24. 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. Very good. Yes, it is similar. Next, coming to BC and EF, 27 and 36. Yes. Yes, all pairs of corresponding angles are congruent. Next question is same. There are many questions very similar. This is a, is it which shape, children? Trapezium or quadrilateral or whatever the shape it is, or else triangle. Which shape is there in question?
Trapezium, ma'am, trapezium.
Trapezium. You see the measures are in proportion or not. Find the missing side.
Yes, ma'am.
10 4 times 40. 14
Yes, ma'am.
4
3 4 ja 12, ma'am.
Very good. 3 4s are 12. A triangle has sizes measuring 11 centimeters, 16 centimeters, 16 centimeters. A similar triangle sides measures 24, x and 24 and 24. What is x? Children, 11 by x.
16.5, ma'am.
11 by x equal to 16 by 24, you can write. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the value of x?
Ma'am, 16.5 got
Here, how you supposed to do 11 by x equal to 16 by 24. If you simplify, you're getting x value 16.5. This is also very similar to previous questions, children. 6 3 times 18. So what number gives you 3 times 21? 7?
7, ma'am.
23 is 21. Very good. The 7 option B is correct. Here to same. 3 times 9 happens. So 6. How
2,
many?
ma'am.
2 3s are 6, right? It's a multiple. See, children, how in proportions will be related to your even your properties. Not only in arithmetic, children, is it related to mensuration? You just observe the questions, how related the day-to-day life applications, how triangles we are using this concept. Even in trigonometrical portions also we are using the same concept of ratios and proportion. 24th question is like to find the height of a very tall pine tree, you place a mirror on the ground and
Ma'am, I had to think a lot on this, ma'am. It is like a 6 feet tall man's shadow is of 2 feet, and the height of the tree we need to find its shadow we can consider 24 feet. So now we got the ratio 6:2, so 24 is
yes,
to how much? So if we solve
very
that,
good.
and it is
Yes,
direct proportion. If we
yes.
solve that, we'll get 72 feet.
Yes, ma'am.
If you very good, children, very good. If you know the image length also, you can find the original length of your figure. Yes or no, children? No need of calculating the
Ma'am,
things.
next question is also same. Like one tree and building question is there.
Okay, let me check to find. Okay, this is really so applicative part, children. Your even most of the examinations also you will tested in not only class 8, when you are going to senior classes in trigonometrical ratios, you will get the same concept once again, but they are using angles instead of doing ratios. You are using angles, children. That time you will go with your angle. Then tan theta, sin theta, cos theta, you're supposed to find out the ratios. How sin theta, what cos theta, what is tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. Sin theta is nothing but opposite by
Ma'am, my mother was one day talking to my father about all those things. Ma'am, I was not understanding anything. I was scratching my head sitting over there.
Ma'am, my mother taught me the identities, trigonometrical.
Yes, children, please. That's why
Ma'am,
even
there are
for the
inverses like tans inverse this, then like that.
yeah, tan theta. Don't think
Reciprocal,
about it. More
reciprocal.
difficult, children. It's very, very easy. If you know that tricky things, it's related to ratios concept only, children. There we are using angles. Each and every concept is interrelated. You just see symmetrical. Symmetry is how it is. Do we, ma'am? What is this? Do we, ma'am? Okay.
Ma'am, can you please like tell the exact method for this? Like, what's
Yes,
the
yes,
steps?
yes, ma'am. To find the height of a very tall pine tree, you place a mirror on the ground and stand where you can see the top of the pine tree. How tall is the pine tree? Please try to do this type of experiment with your own children. It makes a lot of concept involvement in the subject. In the last, before Corona, there is a 10th class girls are keeping the same technology in mathematics. We have some science fair and math fair is going on. The same concept she introduced using mirror, how far somewhere you can able to see the tip of the some picture she kept on the top of the picture where you're supposed to see how you can calculate the height of the. We can practically you can do this you how to do, how you supposed to do, children. What is the given here?
Ma'am, if we consider the 24 feet distance as the image, I mean shadow of that object, then
Okay,
6 feet man's shadow will be 2 feet.
okay.
So how tall tree's shadow will be of 24 feet? So here we get a ratio 6 is to 2 as to 24 is to how much?
Very good. 2 is
And
to
it's
6.
a direct proportion because if the object is taller, so the shadow will be larger.
Okay. So here
So
2 is to 6 is 2 is to 6 is as x is to 24, right?
yes,
Find the
yes,
value of x.
no, ma'am. 6 is to 2 as to 24 is to. Sorry, yeah, you're right, you're right. X is to 24.
Same thing. What you said, it is very similar what I said. You are telling taking as a first as a 6. If you take a first as 6 also, it's correct only, children. 6 is to 2 is as 24 is to x. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Then we'll get 72 feet if we
72
simplify.
feet.
Shreya, are you there?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm there.
You just see the tall of the tree. What is the tall of the man is given here? Yes.
6 feet, ma'am.
Ma'am, 6 feet. Yeah.
So what is the 2 feet is given in the small image is given. There is a mentioned as 2 feet. What is the 2 feet? Is it a
Ma'am,
shadow?
his shadow.
Very good. It's a shadow. The same way tree, what is the tree? Shadow of tree is given as 24 feet. You need to find original
Yeah, ma'am.
height of the pine tree here. Now you understand, Shreya, how you supposed to solve this question?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Shall I do on screen? Shall I do on screen, children? Very simple, children. Very, very simple. You just see here. Shadow you take as well as the original heights you have to take. About a man, about a tree I'm taking.
Ma'am, actually the 24 feet and 2 feet are not actually shadows, but we can consider them because we can take them as the distance which is required for a proper image formation and the actual height of the object. We can consider
Yes,
like that also.
exactly. Exactly. But you need to take it in ratios. How we can apply here means there are a tree. We don't know the actual measure of the height of the tree. What is the actual height of the tree is given image shadow of tree is given as how much, children? 24 feet. Coming to here about man, what is about man? What they are giving 6 feet man original height, and the shadow height you consider as 2 feet. Come
Yeah,
on,
ma'am. So we could kind of say that since the man
2 is
shadow is 2
raised 3
feet,
times, so 24 is raised 3 times, means 24 threes
3
are how
times
much?
was 72. Yeah, ma'am. Got it.
Exactly 72 feet. That's all, children. That's
Ma'am,
all.
there was one more type of question, like pattern there, which I was a bit confused. It's about the pairs and their sides and one X and stuff, the missing side.
We'll see that also. Don't worry. We'll see. Yeah.
Ma'am, it's just a bit up actually.
Oh. Which part?
Actually, ma'am, during that time I left the meeting and joined again, so I didn't see how you did that.
Is this one more similar? No.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am. Not 18. I think it's in the 20s. Question 20 or something.
Yeah. 20. 20 is 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 20. This one, pair of figures are similar. Find the missing side. Is
Yeah,
it
ma'am.
1 minute? See, children, in this case, very simple concept, Astrea. Here, 10, you just take a corresponding side. So 10 and 40. 10, how many times? 4 times. 14, how many times? 56. 14, 4s are 56. So here,
Fours are, yeah,
15
ma'am.
again 56. So 3, how many times? Same
Oh, so
ratio.
3 into,
3
okay,
4s are
okay, ma'am.
very simple. Only you need to
12,
combine
yeah, ma'am,
everything
got
in
it.
ratios. Once you know the logic, you can go like a bullet train only. Whatever the question is given, but in senior classes, you are using little trigonometric concepts too involved because your next question. The person scans a photo that 4 inches wide by 6 inches tall into her computer. She has scales height down to 3 inches. How wide should the similar photo? Yes, who are going to answer this? Yes, children, is it a scan photo that is 4 inches? Wide is 4 inches wide by 6 in tall into her computer. Okay. If she's height down 3 inches, how
It'll be 2, ma'am. 2
is
inches.
it? So how you
Yes,
supposed to
ma'am, it
convert the
will be
ratios,
two.
children?
Ma'am, 4 inches means ma'am, as they divided by 2, ma'am. 6 divided by 2 is 3. We need to divide 4 by 2. Direct proportion.
Okay. So 6 is reduced to 2. 3 means divide with 2. So 4 divide with 2 is 2 inches, right? Next one, a picture of a school's mascot is 18 inches wide and 24 inches long. It's enlarged proportionally banner size. So it's enlarged proportionally banner size means what you're supposed to do, children, here. If the width enlarged width is given 24, width is 24 means 18, how many times 54? 18 fours are 54. So 24 4 times 24 4 times how much, children?
I don't think we can do 24 4 times.
Here musket is 8 inches wide. So 54 inches width. So 18.
24 in 24 1
No, 18
ma'am,
how many
24
times?
24
54?
4s are
3 times.
96, ma'am.
No, 18 threes are 54. 24 threes are 72.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I thought.
Simple, that's
Confused when
very
we.
simple, children. You have to see wide and wide. You need to balance, children. Here width is given. Here width, enlarged width is given. 8 here width is 18 inches. Enlarged is 54. 18 3 times 54. 24 3 times it is given as 72. Right. But you need to correlate which one is given, which is related to with the ratio you're supposed to be a little aware. Next, garden 45 meters wide, 75 blueprint width is 9. So width is 9 means 45 is reduced to 9 means divide with 5. So 70 divide with 5 means what you are getting, children? 14, right? 14.
Yes.
Next, a tree is 12 feet tall and cast a shadow 9 feet long. Okay. And a building nearby cast shadow that measures 24 feet. Oh, how tall is the building? Draw a picture and set up proportion. Who will do this, children? Question number 28. Who will do? Yes, 28. Who can give the answer? Sahu? Satvik, can you please? A tree 12 feet tall and cast shadow 9 feet long. Nearby cast shadow that measures 24 feet.
Ma'am, it is same question like that last one.
Yeah, 12 is raised to 24 and 9 how many times? No, 9 3s
Ma'am, 12 is to 9 as to 24 is to how
is
much?
to x. Yes. Just draw, no need of drawing picture also. You just arrange the proportion here, then you will. This is very same like earlier question. Y varies directly with X. So Y is 84. X is how?
Ma'am, it's y is equals to 5.25x.
So which equation represent this situation? So if I substitute here y and x values, which will be satisfied, you can see children, then that's all. Or else y equal to 84 by 16, actually 5.5 or 84 means, okay, 5.25, just 84 divided with 16 is 5.25 and y equal to mx children. Here y, x and y is a table, direct variation. So what is constant? Constant is 3, right children? Is it 3 or 1 by 3?
Ma'am, 1/3.
Ma'am, 3 is the
Direct-
constant.
1/3.
Direct ratio, direct, very good, 1 by 3. Yes, it's
1/3
1 by 3.
because 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja, 1/3.
Name the constant of proportionality.
Ma'am, it's 40.
40, ma'am.
Okay, right. Here very too small, I can't see.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, but we can zoom there in our device. Yes, ma'am, now it's visible.
I think look at the table. Which of the following is a K
1/4, ma'am.
1 by 4? Same like previous question only, children. If similar questions I'm not doing, children, please go ahead. Every 30 seconds, you can text 35 words. How many words can you type in hour? Means direct, right?
Ma'am,
children?
it will be 3,600 seconds. It will be direct only, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, 30 seconds. So we
Even-
can take in minutes,
even-
and then 1 hour we can take 60 minutes.
Even you can calculate your time period, children. So I'm able to complete my one question so and so time. So I was suppose my teacher is given 15 questions, means at what time you can estimate and you can plan for your part of preparation too. Next one, find missing side. This is how many?
7,
3
ma'am.
times, I think so. 77, 20 already repeated, I think.
Yes, ma'am, repeated question.
X and Y are inverse variation, then which of the following is correct? Inverse, it's not
X,
direct, it's inverse.
X.
Inverse, XY equal to constant, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Option C is correct, children. Next, 4:24, X and Y are inversely proportion following table. Now find the value of X when Y equal to 10. So X equal to 1 by Y, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the value of X and Y, children? Please find out. Yes, how you supposed to find this question here, children? X and Y inversely proportion. Inversely means what you can use? You can use as XY equal to?
So is equal. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, it will be 4 into 25 is equal to X into 10.
So here what value you are getting?
Ma'am, 10, ma'am. 100 by 10 is 10.
100 by 10 is 10, right? Next, 6 pipes fill a tank 120 minutes and 5 pipes. It's 5 pipes means more time it is supposed to
Ma'am,
fill.
in this, but the answer was given 100, ma'am.
1 minute. 6 is 6 is to 5 is 120 is to X. So 120
The answer should be 144, ma'am.
6 twos are 12. 20 into 500 100 only. No, 100. No, it's inversely proportional. Sorry, children. 6
Yes,
into
ma'am.
120 by 5. So sorry. It's 6 into 120 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 twos are 10, 5 fours are 24 into 6 is 24 into 6 is how much, children?
144.
Ma'am, 144.
Right. Because it is not a direct proportion. children.
Ma'am, there in the sixth question, it
Hmm.
is wrong, ma'am. There it should be 144, but the answer
Yeah.
is given 100.
Okay, I will change, children. It's inverse
It's
proportion.
38 question, not 6.
Next 39, you see children. G is directly proportional to B. Given G is 20 when B equal to 4. Find G when B equal to 7. Who will give this?
Ma'am, 35.
It will be 20
35.
by 4
Very
is
good.
equal to
Very good. Very good. 35. Correct.
x
You
by
are correct.
7. It will be 35.
Next, truck covers distance 510 in 34. How much distance cover in 20?
Ma'am, 300 kilometers.
Oh, yeah. It's a inverse proportion, direct proportion, children. Sono walks uniform 5 kilometers per hour. What distance would cover in 2 by 4 minutes? So 1 hour means you can take it as 60 minutes, 5 kilometers. So 2 hours, 24 means 120 plus 24, 144 minutes. How much? It's very simple, children. I want
Ma'am,
machine.
the question I did like 2 hours means it will be 10 kilometers. Again, it is almost half an hour. So when I divided 5 by 2, it will be 2.5.
Estimated.
So it will be
Very good.
less. It will be like 12 kilometers, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Even you can. Next, can you please read Satvik? My mouth is paining. Can you read the question number 42?
Yes, ma'am. A machine in a soft drink factory fills 840 bottles in 6 hours. How many bottles will it fill in 5 hours?
Is it direct or indirect?
Ma'am, it's direct, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's direct.
Very good. Direct
840
proportional.
by 6 into x
700.
by 5.
All right. 700.
Yes,
Like,
ma'am.
Shreya, can you read the question number 43? Shreya, are you there? Pallav?
Yes, ma'am. Shreya is there, ma'am.
Yeah. Shreyashi, please, can you read the question number 43?
Yes, ma'am. In a model of ship, the mast is 9 centimeter high, while the mast of the actual ship is 12 meter high. If the length of the ship is 28 meter, how long is the model ship?
Is it direct or indirect? Yes. Model of ship and actual ship. Model of ship and actual ship.
Ma'am, here we need to see that 9 centimeter and 12 meter, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes,
units.
ma'am. That's centimeter and meter, ma'am. So it is
Wonderful,
different.
wonderful, wonderful question. So centimeters and meters, you need to convert the units as same, right? Is it so?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is wrong. No, ma'am, in the options, it should be centimeter.
Yes, ma'am. That's what.
How long the model ship is centimeters, but it is
Ma'am,
given-
because it should be centimeter, it's a model. No, how can
Yes,
the
ma'am.
model?
But in this, they gave us meter.
Okay, both are centimeters. Is it the same? Okay, 1228. 1228, 9, how much? Okay, yeah, but it is given meters wrong, children. I think options only given wrong.
Ma'am,
It's
it will be 21, I think, ma'am. 21 meter.
centimeters, 21 centimeters.
Yes,
not
ma'am.
Ma'am, today I have my seminar, so may I leave?
Yes, you can, Sahu, you please.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Yeah, there
Thank
are
you, ma'am.
more.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Okay, bye.
Ma'am, more 4 questions are only there.
Yeah, more 4 questions. Quickly we can recapitalize and we suppose to leave. I can, other students are waiting, children.
Yes.
Anju types 540 during a half an hour. How words could type in 8 minutes? You can see here.
Just to
Direct proportion. A farmer has enough food for feed 28 animals in his cattle for 9 days. How long would it food last for the? If there are 8 more animals, means food take is an indirect proportion, children.
Yes,
Go with
direct.
come on, Satvik, please read the sweets question. I want to eat sweet
ma'am.
right now.
If a box of sweets is divided among 24 children, they will get 5 each. 5 sweets each. How many would each get if the number of children is decreased by 4? Ma'am, means 20. It will be 5. No. Yes, ma'am. It will be 6 sweets each.
Yeah, box of sweets. There are 24 students get 5 each. So how many each will get if number of students are decreased by 4? 4 decreased means so 20 students. Yes. So
Ma'am,
how
we
many
can do it like 24 into 5. Then we'll get the total. And divided by 20.
Yes.
6.
Next, same question. A tap of same size fills a tank in 1 hour 36 minutes, how long will 8 taps of the same size can take to fill the tank?
Ma'am, it is 2 hours 24 minutes.
How you will get, is it indirect proportion, right?
Yes, ma'am, indirect.
Next, the same way a school has 8 periods, such 45 minutes duration. How would each period be if the school
Ma'am, it will
has
be
9
40 minutes, ma'am.
yeah, if school has 9 periods means time will be
40 minutes.
right.
Each period will be 40 minutes.
That's all, children. That's all. Very good, children. You are doing wonderful job in test, but the questions also so wonderful. These questions, please practice, because how the subject is related with the other branches of mathematics, you can easily find out here. We are relating with the triangles. We are relating with some trigonometry part. We are relating with the symmetrical things. So you just please, there is a lot of application part involved while preparing the paper. Also, it takes little time for me, children. Please, if you are not practicing, also practice once again the bits. So it will helpful for you. Okay, children, that's all for the day. We'll meet in next class. Bye, children. Have a nice day to you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, now.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children. Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Yes, Jashmita, can we leave Jashmita?
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Right, right, now, right. Bye. Bye, Jashmita. Any doubt,
Bye,
ma, in
ma'am.
today's class? Jashmita, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, right. Ritvik? Ritvik?
Ma'am, but for the congruent one, ma'am, if they
Yeah.
give the same question, is the correct answer congruent or similar?
No. Similar only correct, Nana, because they are not asking about the same size and the same shape is given, it is going with congruent. But shape is not same there. It's a similar figures.
Okay. ma'am.
Jashmita, that is the point. A very good point you're asking. If same size and only some pair of tilted is happening, it's a congruent figures. But here same size but not shape. So it
No,
is
ma'am, they give same shape and the size.
not the same size, Nana. It's not same size given. You just go ahead once again the question.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
Right, Jashmita. Bye, ma.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Ma'am, can you end the meeting?
Okay, right. Sorry, I think okay. I'll stop and I'll end. Thank you so much for your sincerity, Jashmita. I appreciate all the days. I feel very happy about you, Jashmita. You are very, very honest. We are proud of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good.